Hey everyone, Dr. Fortes here. I wanted to speak to you about an issue, and it's a relevant issue. I wanted to allay your fears about it, and that's if what happens if you're in an accident, especially if you have an injury of your face, like a cut in your lip or a cut in your nose or even your eyelid or your cheek. Don't let these times make you even more nervous about getting treatment in an emergency department where all kinds of patients will congregate. Don't let an accident these times compromise your beauty. The best way to deal with it is to go someplace that is safe and that you'll know you'll be taken care of in an expert manner by someone who's an expert in taking care of things like lacerations, especially complicated ones on the face. And so you can be assured that you're going to get the best treatment under the best conditions and return to as normal and as improved in appearance as possible after these sorts of mishaps. Call me if this is something that you find happens to you during these times or any time, really. I'll give you a number, and I look forward to taking care of you in the future, as I've done for many, many years with other patients. In the meantime, stay safe. Of course, stay away from accidents as much as you can, but if an accident happens, don't worry. Come and see me. Bye-bye.